Louis. Yeah, big dreams when me have. Thank God me still living it. Big dreams when me have. Thank God me still living it. St. Thomas man born me the broke like dog. Now I am winning it. So me have to say one time for the real dogs, them where I hustle from day one, yeah. One day man, I forget rich like coffee.
Touchdown in the airport. Tracksuit, I'm an Air Force. All of my gal them love me. All the wanna say me ugly.
I'm finally checking in everything right now, and I know that y'all wanted airport footage, but that didn't happen because I was overweight and I had to try to like maneuver stuff into the into my other bag, so I'm just all discombobulated this morning, and so I'm out of it, to be honest. I just need to get to Jamaica. I feel like every time, y'all know, as much as I try not to have bad luck when I come to the airport, every time I travel, I have bad luck, but I'm good right now. I'm just waiting to board. I think it's 5:13 right now, well 5:14 right now, and I'm still sick, so that's one thing. And then I'm just stressed, like legit. I was overweight 11 pounds, and so I had to move 11 pounds of stuff like into my carry-on and my personal item, and my carry-on is so small. I should have gotten a bigger carry-on, but you know, shoulda, woulda, coulda. But yes, I'm at the airport. I know y'all wanted airport footage, so this is as much airport footage as y'all gonna get. I'm currently charging my laptop to edit a vlog on the plane, and that's all the update I got. I'm leaving at 6. I should get there by 7 something. Let's pray there are no delays and no itching our system, so we can let Jamaica have phone. And I know y'all expected me to be more excited right now, but I just feel sick and I just am annoyed. So I'll check in with y'all once I get to Jamaica. Okay guys, so I tried my best to come get y'all a OOTD. I told y'all I was wearing a tracksuit on the live. I doubt it's picking it up well, but it's a tracksuit from Fashion Nova. It's velvet, and it's I don't remember the name of it. And I'm wearing these. I accidentally, y'all. So I accidentally came to the airport in Samantha slippers, because I went downstairs and because I was rushing, I left out with it. But that's all I got on. I'm gonna try to step out to give y'all a full view. They don't have a full body mirror, so I can't show you my entire outfit. I legit hunt down the bathroom to try to find y'all a mirror, but because my terminal is on the other side, and this is the best that I got. The other one didn't have any mirrors at all, so I found this one that y'all can see something. So this is the OOTD. It's very comfy. I love this set. And there you go. There we go. Jamaica, Jamaica. Time to head back because I asked a stranger to watch my stuff. And yeah, so I just did that for y'all. So I risked all my stuff for y'all.
Today my rise like the sunrise, my bright and my upright. No one can broke my vibes. I may not care who I fight, I know I criticize. I'm on the higher heights. So you can say what you want to and do what you want to. It's no concern to me. But come I have my own vision, me dip on my own mission to rule my destiny.
It's the last time I'm checking in before I get to Jamaica. I'll see y'all when I get there. So guys, we are in Jamaica. We are here, just landed. We came on time, we left on time. Everything was great. My ride is not here, so that's great. So we gotta go through immigration and stuff like that. But we are in Kingston.
Do it for the love, and I do it for the lights. Do it for the love, and I do it for the lights. Do it for the love, and I do it for the lights. Do it for the love, and I do it for the lights. Make them know success don't come overnight. No make them know a substance over hype. Do it for the love, and I do it for the light.
Jamaica, Jamaica. As you can see, the sun is blinding me, and I just realized that I did not pack any type of shades. So I'm gonna be squinting in these vlogs, and hopefully y'all see me because I can't even see the viewfinder. But anyway, my ride is not here yet. So I'm just chilling out. It's a beautiful day. It's not cold. It's not hot. Why would it be cold in Jamaica? But it's not hot. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful day. So I'm just there. We're gonna stop them and wait for my ride. I'm not miserable now. My dad Jamaica, so I feel nice. I did deal with that wait for a long time.
Not nice. Yeah, hear me though. See you crown there. It's different. Yeah, man. What done?
Get to youth. Nothing like when pocket full of cash. Many hungry days me used to face, me can't forget.
Ow, that! Wayo! So what happened to my subscriber them? No sound, no move. Nothing think space in there. With my something with them. Oh, you can go on top. Hey, yo. Sash, big up yourself.
I don't look something and say, yeah, I should have here, man. It's me, I never know that I would have them here. So, what is that? So something.
Die, what's up?
You go back here, what I'm
Guys, just have a charge pack for your bag on pan.
Come on.
You're on about my video?
Come try that soup.
Come. We're gonna cheap and clean later, but Sasha she not want to go, so me I go do it. So die, when you come up with oh, you're not later? So we're gonna start out tomorrow. Yesterday. Alright guys, them are going way back now. Bye. See you tomorrow. Later. See you tomorrow.
Later.
Oh, later, sorry.
Happy life man living now. Yeah. Anywhere you see well but the kill is out. Money.
She found that small friend must be sick.
Boss, you have a June plum there? You? You have a plum? No. Alright. Where?
We need to fact yellow right from them.
Where?
I wish you point to. Oh.
Right, that's it.
Bills.
Yeah, bonjour.
No, tea man.
Guys, I'm gonna get my June bloom. I told y'all that's the first thing I want when I come down here. I'm gonna get some wood. Wait till I get home. I want to kill them and I want to eat them. Yeah, man, I'm good. That Poland now. But then I'm a parish now, yeah. I feel like we reach up fast. Let me show you the beautiful, beautiful Poland.
Ooh, I met a girl this morning. She was love at first sight. Ooh, I met a girl this morning, and she was beauty to my eyes. I asked her where she from, she tell me in the topics. She asked me what's my name, I tell her I am Connie. And I said, girl, tell me what's your name, and she tell me that her name is Jamaica.
Guys, me reach a Poland, I'll know me eat my plum them. But it's really chilling, relaxing, maxing, all cool. The place not really that hot, but I did pin up my ear because we just cannot be hot. Is there no more?
I'm at so oh me I'll come on. We don't. Fuck up the thing.
I'm gonna go back, I'm gonna peel my plum and eat 2 plum come out. I literally did I eat today? No, I did not. Cause I sleep through it. I always sleep when the man give you stuff. finally reach my yard. Who this? Shavaton, big man, come here, man. Shavatal on me. That's little Shadow.
Just because you do a lot of talk.
Oh, where you going?
Miss Josephine, Mr. Bang. Pops. What you? Oh, mama. They full of so much ear. Tinil. From morning till now. Put all that here. Oh no, roast breadfruit. Kyo. We are say hi to. Who you talk to? Who you talk to? Who you record for put it on? Who you put it on? Yo, too, before your ear, you get ear cut. Nice.
Where are you doing the knife shop?
Trying at the building. So guys, I'm gonna from reach my hungry and I'm not there for eat. So anyway, I Ufa put this in here, so Q Ufa Q breadfruit and fried dumpling and plantain. How for this? Yeah, is that ready? Shabby? So come here, you get cute. Ooh, and heavy. Tall and heavy. Tall and heavy. School girl in there already? Yeah. You're colorful. Anyway, guys, we reach. What do it? Good. We reach and as me reach. We like this. I like tell. So you need bulb? Neck back. I like 9 or so. Guys, I just reached but I'm hungry. Mama, I washed tinny here. I took up clothes because rain come. Shop gonna make bamboo kai cue the here and try in the kitchen. And Papa, I help Mama take up the clothes them. I mean, walk barefoot. You can make kite? Look how you get big.
I think he's in just a swell and
gee, and I get tall. You bamboo like Jada, Mama? Go and join a bamboo for Mama Q.
The heat and a swell and a heat. Dry down, you know, dry down. Heat and a swell and a heat and a tall.
In Tala, you know, Papa, stand up, let me see.
Yes, man, stand
up, let me see. A daddy length you get.
Yeah, Thailand. Let me take what my clothes then.
You pull on your bamboo? Fresh haircut, Q. Look at see it, man. Stop going shy, man. Stop going shy. So when you get for your haircut, Shav? When you cut that day? What make? You don't look good, you need to cut.
Not cut here.
But don't you give me money, I'm going to take a one to coffee. Just a little piece. Now trim me here properly.
What now? Where you look me up and down? Where you have to say? What now? Yes, good. For once. For once, me not come down and then say me fat. For once, me not come down and then say me fat. Then say me take off weight. Thank you, Jesus.
You're still big.
It's still big, but me take off it. Look a bit.
We're not morning time.
Me not carry sneakers. Kyo. You touch there.
That's just a ball to come up here. That red me right. I make David bamboo down.
Oh. You have coal? You ever have coal? Yeah, fear my dad. I have some plum. Papa pick some plum. Sorry. Papa get some plum. You know this. I'm gonna pick up. Then put my bus up, man. I drop them chop off a tree. Well, we let them drop our pick. Yeah? Yeah, come. I have to go get the Wi-Fi password.
I remember that I can't.
Guys, don't mind the mess. But me showing a QQ, I got parking in basic school jersey.
I know.
By your basic school jersey, a Jones Park jersey from basic school. You man Shabba go play football. Where football boots there? Oh, I can see that. I can show you a swag with. Only the fat?
No.
What?
I blue. See it here?
Blue?
No.
Okay, miss. Okay. Oh, the hookah something. Hookah, this blow something. The pen, the vapor. Anyway, guys, I just wake up, but I'm tired. My foot are bite me up. I get miserable now. I need to clean out that room here because I ask Chef to clean out the room for me. I don't know what Chef do. So I know it's a big cleaning tomorrow. I'm not clean tonight though. I can't. But just I got try tidy up so I have a little structure.
Cheap and clean.
But I'm tired.
No.
I want to sleep. Why sleep even more? Anyway, I'm checking whether it's still there when I vlog, but I just want to keep it tuned. Today was a little off, so if the vlog seems like off, I'm off, but my record phone is the same way. But anyway, yeah. I just done defeat about 5 June plum. I'm stand up on my veranda, look how she get thick. I stand up on my veranda, my sister brought them neck over me and I'm ready for chase my start watch the so. Fella, why you get so thick? No! No, sir, really, don't answer. Jesus Christ, look there.
Don't do that. Don't
thick. Thick. Yes, sir. My party come back.
What kind of park?
No football, shall I go play?
Oh yeah, go there.
No? Okay. You good? And you're neat, though. I'm just gonna eat about 5 plums. Oh God. I'm just wake.